In the previous one, we learned about missing values and attributes. In this one, we will learn the which operator. So before going to a which operator, we will first create the vector. In A, we have 1 to 10, and I would like to show you some functions, basic functions using which we can find the minimum. Min of A will give us the minimum value in A. Max of A will give us the maximum value. Mean would give the average. Median would give the midpoint. Also, like if I want to remove a certain value from A, I can use the minus sign. Say I want to remove the 5th and the 6th positions. The values at 5th and the 6th position is not included here. Now let's see the which operator. What a which operator does is, it takes in one or more arguments and all these arguments are conditions. It checks for these conditions and returns the indexes or the positions of the elements that satisfy that specific condition that you have passed. Let me show you with a demo. So I will use which. What I have asked which to return is, return those values of A that are greater than 5. When I run this, it returns 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are not the values of A, but the positions of A, right? And if I do this, I will get the values itself. Now these are the values of A. It will be more clear if I do it on a different vector, I guess. Let me create it on 100 to 110. Now A contains all these. I want the elements that are greater than 105, and that returns the indices, and those are the values. I can pass in multiple conditions if I want. Say I want all the elements of A that are greater than 107 or A is less than 104. This operator, it is above your enter key or the return key. This is the OR operator. So either this condition should be satisfied or this condition should be satisfied, and all the positions that satisfy either of these indices will be returned. Now I contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 10, 11, and A of I would give all the elements that satisfy these conditions. That is, all the elements should be less than 104 or greater than 107. Right? I can keep adding as many conditions as I want within the which operator. Now it's time for a quick challenge. What I would like you to try for this challenge is, I have A and it contains the elements from 100 to 110. From A, get all the elements that satisfies either of these two conditions. The first condition is the element can be an even number, and the second condition is the element is a multiple of 5. So all the elements that satisfy this condition has to be picked up using the which operator. So I'm going to pause the video for now for you to try. After you complete it, come back and check for the answer. Good luck. Hope that went well. If you had got that right, congrats. Here's how I would have done it. This would get me all the even numbers, right? But I want 105 to be included. There are 3 elements that would be multiples of 5, 100, 105 and 110. 100 and 110 are included. I want 105 also into this. So the second condition I add to which is, that would give me 105 as well. So that's the answer. Let's catch up in the next one.